Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily blur a face using the Capcut app on your Windows or Mac. So, if you're ready, let's dive right in. Step 1. Copy and paste. The first step is to duplicate your video clip. Simply copy it and paste it onto your timeline. Step 2. Adding the blur effect. Now let's add the blur effect. Click on the effects option at the top. Then in the search bar, type blur and press enter. Then you can see there are many types of blur you can use on different times. This time I select this blur. Drag the blur effect onto your timeline. For some reason, if you don't find blur tape on timeline, then simply right-click on the clip and select Edit Effects. And you can see that effect tape will visible on timeline. Now you can adjust your effect according to your desire. Step 4. Applying the mask. Make sure your second video is selected, then find and click on the mask button. Choose the circular mask option. Step 5. Adjusting the blur. Resize and reposition the circular blur over the face. Take your time to make precise adjustments. You can also fine-tune the feather slider for smoother edges. If your subject or camera is in motion, you'll need to add keyframes. If you don't know how to add keyframe, you can find that video on my channel. And there you have it. That's how you blur a face in Capcut for PC or Mac. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment down below and don't forget to hit that like button. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.